to see how the script template feature works. Basically, the script template is very useful and handy when you are talking to a prospect. If you have something in hand, where you need to talk about, especially when you are starting a new campaign and you don't want to fumble with the words. It's good to have some kind of script to to talk about. So and imagine the scenario, you've got like 10 different scripts, right? How do you manage all these different scripts for different campaigns? So we have this feature where you can create multiple scripts and utilize based on whichever campaign you're running. So you go to my message templates, and here you select call script template. Okay, and in the call script template, all you have to do is just put the name of the script, whatever name you want, and and you copy paste, or let's say if your manager has given you some script, you copy paste a script here. Okay, so I have some script already here created. So like for example, this is a script where I have written some information, right? And then I want to say this. So let's try to create another script, just to show you guys how it works. So I will say create new, and I will say new script, okay? And I will copy paste basically, okay, and I'll say save. So once you do that, you have a new script created, right? And we are going to utilize this new script. So how do we utilize this new script? So we go back to CRM, and you go to contacts, so once you go to contacts and you are here, right, this is how you navigate and keep working. So here you can select whichever script you want on the session, and that will remain. So when you're talking to the person, you have something handy here, which you can talk about and utilize. So simple feature, but very very handy, and especially if you have multiple um, scripts for different campaigns, you have it right then and there. Thank you.